how to recover a hacked Facebook account. Now, if you're on Facebook and you got a message, maybe that someone else changed your password or that they hacked in, and they're now posting various photos and videos, all that stuff. I'll show you how to get it back. But first, hit the subscribe button down below. It really helps me out. Thanks, guys. Now let's hop into the web browser here. You can do this all in a web browser. I would recommend doing it there versus opening up the Facebook app itself. And we're just going to type in Facebook, account hacked. So Facebook account hacked, and you're going to scroll down past the ads and go to hacked and fake accounts now. On here, it walks you through some steps that I'll walk you through as well. But it says if you think your Facebook account was hacked, open this up and it says go to facebook.com/slacked. So what we will do is open up another web browser and we will go to Facebook. Slacked and hit go. Now it says if you're worried about the security of your account, we can help you. It says I found a post message or event that I didn't create. Someone else got into my account without my permission. I found an account which uses my name or photos. People can see things that I thought were private. Or I don't see the right option. Let's say someone else got into my account without my permission. Tap on that and hit continue here, and then it will walk you through the steps. It says, hi, Trevor. Let's help secure your account. Hit get started here. And it will go through the process of walking you through to recover that hacked account. It says to help. Facebook will take you through some steps like changing your password, making sure that any recent changes are you, and basically going through this entire process to make sure no one else got into your account and changed anything. So you can see it. Checks my post, my comments, whether my password has been changed recently, whether the emails, phone numbers has been changed recently. Basically any updates that you might not have made now after. It does this. It says it looks like some changes were made to your account and you'll need to review those, like the password review, email addresses, and people you followed. So we can hit continue here and it says, please create a new password that you don't use anywhere else, because essentially it thinks that, all right, maybe someone else got your password. So just enter in that brand new password here, and then you have to enter it in multiple different times, as well as your current password or your old password, and then go through this process. It will have you review the photos. It'll have you review anything that has changed on your account. And essentially, by going through this process, it'll send you two-factor authentication to your phone number or your email address. And just by going through this process, you can help to ensure that your account is back to being safe.